Tragedy strikes Kentucky as severe weather wreaks havoc. This weekend, severe storms unleashed chaos across multiple states. At least 27 lives lost, with Kentucky bearing the brunt. 18 of the deceased are from Kentucky alone. Torrential rains, powerful winds, and deadly lightning strikes have left communities in ruin. Rescue operations are underway, but hopes are fading as the damage toll rises. Authorities are urging residents to stay indoors and heed all weather warnings. Our thoughts are with the victims and their families during this devastating time. Stay tuned for updates as this tragic story unfolds.